Hello, everybody, and welcome to the 5th episode of Let's Talk About Material Handling. Now, safety is a huge and important part of the industry, but unfortunately, that doesn't always prevent accidents from happening. Here are the figures. 90% of forklift trucks will be involved in an accident during their lifetime. 80% of handling truck accidents involve a pedestrian. And did you know that 70% of these accidents can be avoided with good training and safety measures?
It's important to understand that a machine is an extension of the operator. So the workstation needs to be an extension of their arms, and therefore it must be possible to make adjustments because we have employees of different sizes. It has to be constantly adjusted to suit all operators. Furthermore, they need to feel comfortable in their workstation, in their cab. They need a comfortable environment with optimal visibility so that they can perform their duties under appropriate conditions.
From an ergonomic point of view, we are offering either standard levers or mini levers. Manitou can also fit a JSM joystick on certain types of handling equipment.
It's not enough to just buy a machine. Obviously, appropriate training is needed, both for drivers and supervisors. And they need to understand how to properly use it in order to prevent any industrial accidents.
Toujours être prêt à réagir avec sa machine, donc avoir une vision un petit peu plus large que ce que son tableau de bord en fait.
When a machine is delivered, Veolia expects support from the manufacturer in the form of training, then advice from a professional. That's really what we look for on a permanent basis.
As well as designing handling equipment, a few years ago Manitou developed a program known as Reduce. This program consists of several aspects, including the Fuel Eco program and TCO, which stands for the total cost of ownership of the machine, including fuel consumption. For some time now, we have been developing a program called Reduce Risks, designed to support our clients in the area of accident prevention and safety when using equipment. Our machines are designed with standard safety features, such as the forklift operator presence detector. You can also have a cab which is protected by a FOPS system. And we're trying to optimize driver visibility too. In terms of optional extras, you can also add lighting features. Cameras on the forks, speed limiters, and blue or red spot signal lights. Next, from a maintenance point of view, we're also seeking to facilitate the accessibility of our vehicles. So we're working to make it easier to perform maintenance.
In any case, efficiency is important both for our company and for the working conditions of our employees. Having frequent contact with the manufacturer allows us to progress together on solutions, allowing research to advance and working conditions to improve.
Merci beaucoup, Rémi, et merci beaucoup, Maxime. We've reached the end of Let's Talk Material Handling. Find us on YouTube Manitou, where you can also find the previous 4 episodes. But for now, it's cheerio, but be back soon.